Number 4. Canon EOS R10, the best entry-level camera for photography. With its beginner-friendly interface and top-notch autofocus system, this camera is a great choice for those starting out in photography. One of the biggest pros of the EOS R10 is its impressive video capabilities. You can shoot in 4K at up to 60 FPS, giving you high-quality footage for your projects. The quick burst shooting and long battery life are also game changers, allowing you to capture the perfect moment without worrying about running out of power. The limited lens selection for the RF mount may be a downside for some, but don't let that deter you from considering this camera. The Fujifilm X-S10 is another great option, but it lacks the reliable autofocus system and internal video specs of the EOS R10. Plus, the in-body image stabilization on the X-S10 can't beat the overall package offered by the Canon. What I love the most about the EOS R10 is its ease of use. The user interface is straightforward, making it a breeze to navigate and adjust settings on the fly. The ergonomics are also on point, ensuring that you can shoot comfortably for long periods. Overall, if you're in the market for an entry-level camera that doesn't compromise on performance, the Canon EOS R10 is the way to go. Check it out and see for yourself why it's the best choice for budding photographers. Still searching for the perfect photography camera? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed.